access your lessons on Microsoft Teams. I'm going to talk you through the process and then I will show you what to do. So the first thing that we need to do is to find a quiet space to work and make sure that you have your pen and your exercise book or any paper that you need ready. You should also turn off your phone and make sure that you're away from any distractions. Once you've done that, you'll need to use Google Chrome to search for Office 365. Then you'll need to sign in using your school email address and password. Then you'll need to find Microsoft Teams. And then you'll just choose the lesson that you need and click Join. So now I'm going to show you what to do. So the first thing that I'm going to do is load up Google Chrome. And I'm going to search for Office 365. Then I'm going to click on the Office 365 page and I'm going to click Sign In. You will end up with a window that looks like this. Here I'm going to type in my email address. So my email address is going to be 20bives@thehurlinghamacademy.org.uk. Please make sure that you spell the Hurlingham Academy correctly, because otherwise you will not be able to log in. And this is the most common mistake that students have. Once you've logged in, this is what you will see. You will then need to go to the left-hand side of the page and go down the list of icons until you find the icon for Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to click here. Teams might ask you if you want to use the desktop app, but that's fine. You can just use the web app. Then I'm going to click on the Teams and I'm going to find the class that I'm a member of. Now you can see I've got quite a few different teams here, but one of mine is this Year 10 class here, and you'll have lots of your different classes. Because it says SC at the end, I know that that's going to be science. So I'm going to click on that. And I can see that a science lesson has started and it says meeting now. And I'm going to click on the join icon. I can click join now, and I can also click on this button here to mute myself. You might want to put in any headphones that you've got at this point so that you're not distracting anyone around you, and to make sure that you can speak in the lesson when your teacher calls on you. So once I've clicked join, then it might take a few seconds for the teacher to admit me, but then I will be a part of the lesson. So if you have any problems, here are some things to remember. First of all, when you're signing into Office 365, please check that you are using your full school email address. So that should start with 2 numbers, then your first initial, then your surname, finally adding at thehurlinghamacademy.org.uk at the end. Make sure that you've spelled the second part of your email address, the Hurlingham Academy, correctly. And this is the most common problem that students have when they're logging in, that they've not spelled it properly. Remember that somewhere your password will have a capital letter in it. Finally, if you still can't remember your password or you think it's not working, please message your head of year on Show My Homework, or ask your parents to send a message to the school using the My Ed app, or they can simply call reception. Once that's happened, your new password will be sent to your parents by text message and you can use that to log in. Good luck.